What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. So today, as you can see, I have 3 products from Codi. I hope that is how you pronounce them. They reached out to me over Twitter and they wanted me to review some of their products. These 2, they let me pick out what 2 products I wanted, and then they were like, we'll throw in something special. So they sent me out the USB-C to USB-C charging and syncing cable. This is 6 feet, so we're gonna unbox that. They sent me the Codi. This is the 2.4 gigahertz wireless mouse because I needed a new wireless mouse, so I picked this up. And then I also picked up the power bank charging quick charger, 10,000 milliamp, up to 70 hours of battery. So pretty much, let's get into what this charger looks like real quick. Open it up real quick. You can never have too many of these USB chargers, so I always like to get these. They're always good to have. So it says USB-C to USB-C, fast charging, charge and scan devices with USB-C connection. So pretty much we're just gonna open this up like so and just see what we get here, which this is pretty much a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And like they said, this is 6 feet, but overall this does look nice, and if the braided cable does feel really good in the hand. So I'm gonna put this aside because pretty much this is all it is a charging cable. So now let's do the power bank. You can never have too many power banks either. These things come in handy when you're out and about and you need to charge up a device real quick. This does have a little weight to it, so pretty much this just says Codi or Cody, and maybe Cody, because I can say I or I can say the E sound. So pretty much you do get 2 charging ports, so that is for USB. Then you get USB-C, and then you get the old style USB. And overall this does look and feel good. It's small. So pretty much here is your power button to cut this on. See if it has any juice, and it does. So pretty much all you would do is just plug up something. Hold on, let's use their power charger into USB-C. All you do is just plug in something. So say you had just Z Fold 3 or whatever phone you had, you just plug it in like so, and just like that your device is charging. So you can charge USB-C to you, and then 2 USB devices and old school device up there. So that is pretty nice to have, and I want to say thank you, Codi, for sending me this over, for allowing me to pick what I wanted to review. It's very nice because, like I said, these power banks are good to have, and you could never go wrong with a power bank, and I needed a power bank, so this is a nice touch. So I'll just sit that there. I gotta figure out how to cut that off, but in the meantime, let's open up this wireless mouse. Don't do what I'm doing to open it up, but I just didn't have a knife on hand at the moment. But let's see here. See if we can get into it. We're in it. So pretty much this is just a nice black wireless mouse. So it does come with a mouse bag. That's neat. So you can put your mouse inside of here when you're done using it. And the Codi power bank finally cut off. But anyway, so this is what your wireless mouse looks like. To me, it looks and it feels good in the hand. To me, this feels real nice. It says Codi At the bottom here, this is where you would put your battery. So this runs off of batteries, as you can see. So as long as you have a battery in here, you're good to go. But this is wirelessly, so this does have Bluetooth. So you just pretty much put your battery in like so, and you want to close it up. See if we can get it going. I may be doing this the wrong way, but there you go. You put it in like that, and then you would have to cut it on just like that, and there is a fleet. Hold on, let me see here. There's a blue light flickering in the inside, and I believe that is to let you know that you do have it on. But it does have two buttons here. This one has some dots on it, as you can see. Very feels nice. These this looks really cool with the holes there. But overall, this does look nice, and it feels nice in the hand. I was using a Logitech one, but now I'll probably move over to using this Codi wireless mouse. This says it has nano dialogue, the carrying pouch, the battery, and of course it comes with the user manual. This is plug and play, no drivers needed. So pretty much I can't wait to try this mouse out and use it more with my setup. But pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.